simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone.
From the outset, Gulfstream's corporate strategy has been to be first to bring products to the business aviation industry marketplace that are industry-leading and offer measurable safety enhancements and practical, applicable, and useful advances in aerospace technology. On Thursday, July 18, 2002, another chapter in Gulfstream's corporate strategy came to life when the G550 first took flight. And the G550 established a Gulfstream record on its first flight with an incredible 5-hour, 1-minute test flight, meeting and in some instances exceeding all expectations. August 14, 2003. It was a memorable day for the G550 team in that it marked receipt by the G550 team of the FAA Type Certificate, receipt by the G550 team of the FAA Production Certificate, the first time the plane view cockpit incorporating Honeywell's Primus Epic avionics was included in a TC, the first time an enhanced vision system, co-developed with Colesman, was included as a production item. Let's fast forward now to Friday, October 3rd, 2003, as we see the first production G550 landing at the Orlando Executive Airport, located in Orlando, Florida, completing a time and distance record for a direct flight from Seoul, South Korea to Orlando, Florida. That was 7,301 nautical miles in 14 hours and 30 minutes with an average airspeed of 572 miles per hour. To understand how the G550 has achieved what the G550 team set out to achieve, you need to take a closer look at the aircraft.
Hello, my name is Raleigh McFarland, and I'm the Honeywell Aerospace Account Team Leader for Gulfstream. Today, Honeywell is very proud to have continued that relationship on Gulfstream's large cabin, all-terrain G550 by supplying a broad range of systems including advanced integrated avionics, APU, environmental control system, cabin pressurization system, lighting, and other products and services. We're especially excited about having worked very closely with Gulfstream once again to set new standards for cockpit technology in the aerospace industry with the first certification of Honeywell's Primus Epic system on the G550 Plane View Advanced Cockpit. This certification is a culmination of one of the largest design efforts ever undertaken in the field of avionics, and it marks the beginning of a new period in which pilots will use advanced displays and cursor control devices in a much more intuitive human-machine environment, resulting in improved situational awareness and safety. And the results are clear. Pilots, engineers, executives, and government officials alike have applauded the G550 and its advanced plane view cockpit.
My name is Edward Popek, and I'm a product manager with Colesman. For the Gulfstream G550, Colesman provided the enhanced vision system for the aircraft. Colesman and Gulfstream have been in the forefront of EVS technology development since 1997 and will continue this leadership role. Colesman's EVS allows pilots to see through darkness and low visibility conditions by providing a real-time image of the external scene to the pilot, not normally visible with the naked eye. This enables safer approaches, reduced missed approaches, improved situational awareness, and aids in the prevention of runway incursions. The Colesman EVS consists of three main components: an IR window mounted to the aircraft radome, an EVS sensor mounted in the radome area, and an EVS processor mounted in the electronics bay. Colesman is proud to be a member of the G550 team and to participate in the 2003 Robert J. Collier Award selection process.
My name is Ian Aitken, and I'm President of the Corporate Aircraft Business Unit of Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce worked closely with Gulfstream to ensure that this new version of the BR710 delivered an expanded capability required by the ultra-long-range G550. Increased thrust contributes to the G550's improved field performance as well as an improved rate of climb. The BR710 delivers this outstanding performance while at the same time being the cleanest and the quietest engine in its class. Rolls-Royce is proud to be a member of the G550 team and to participate in the 2003 Robert J. Collier Award selection process.
My name is Dave Bauer, and I am the Gulfstream 550 Wing Program Manager with Vought Aircraft Industries in Dallas, Texas. Vought was involved from the outset in making the structural design changes to the wing in order to handle the increased loads resulting from the aerodynamic changes to the G550 flap. Our partner, Shinmeiwa Industries of Kobe, Japan, made the structural and aerodynamic changes to the flap. Vought and Shinmeiwa are proud to be members of the Gulfstream 550 team and to participate in the 2003 Robert J. Collier award selection process.
The criteria for being awarded the Robert J. Collier Trophy includes the value of which has been thoroughly demonstrated by actual use during the preceding year. The best people to talk about the value of Plainview and the EVS are pilots who have actually experienced its value. Lieutenant Commander Tony Pucciarella, who serves as the director of the C-37A Fleet Introduction Team, explained the situation. We actually could see the fog form during our final approach. I had the runway on EVS well before we reached visual minimums. The EVS clearly depicted the runway and landing environment, allowing us to safely guide the aircraft into an unfamiliar field at night with low visibility and a foreign PAR. It was also useful in taxiing to our final destination. I wish we had EVS in the rental car because the fog was so thick we couldn't even find the exit from the parking lot to get on our way to the hotel. Commander R.D. Belisle, commanding officer of the Coast Guard Air Station Washington, explains, I believe that the overall operational benefit of the Gulfstream EVS is not just for the improved minimal during low visibility approach, but in the overall additional safety the system brings to our aircraft specifically and the aviation community in general. Tom Fleming, Director of Aviation Air Flight, which operates G5 aircraft with EVS, succinctly identified the real benefit of EVS. This is the greatest safety advance in recent times, he said. The system will save lives. And speaking of proven performance, let's see what the G550's team has accomplished since EIS last September with this new aircraft.